Hi friends, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss very important topic of 3D flat simulation in ArcGIS or ArcScene software. So at first, open ArcGIS software. So at SRTM DEM Digital Elevation Map. So open DEM image. So check these properties. So spatial reference, geographical coordinate system. So change coordinate system, geographic coordinate system to projected coordinate system. So go to data management tools and projection and transformation, define projection. Input this raster image or DEM image. Coordinate system WGS 84 UTM zone 45 north. Okay. So define projection are complete. So these DEM image are create and features shapefile polygon representing water surface. So at first create a shapefile representing the water surface. Catalog. Then select the folder output. Raster vector file and shapefile shape. Water body or water features types polygon edit and coordinate system. Then okay. And go to edit, start editing. Edit, create features, select and polygon, create a shape file representing the water surface of this study area. Save editor and stop editing. So create a shape file representing the water. So close of the ArcMap and open ArcScene. Open ArcScene. So open ArcScenes, loads all layers of DEM digital elevation data or shapefile or polygon representing the water surface. So representing the water surface. Change this color. Actually, in flat or 3D simulation is simulation of the flats to know the which parts would be affected if a flat were to occur. Although it is the only visible, it gives you the general idea for how the events would be affected you. So next step of the right click of this demo image and then properties, go to base heights and plotting on the custom surface. So change this custom and 6 factor to convert layer elevation value of the scenes unit and apply. And go to symbology and change the color. Apply. Then go to demi image properties and layer properties and base heights and plotting on the custom surface and custom Zero 50. Then okay. Next the arch layer and scenes properties and vertical exaggeration and geographic, then apply, then okay. So next right click of this upper portion and click on animation tools and animation manager and key of frames tools and then left side of this create, then source object, then type of layer and source of object water surface and new, then keyframe, create the 20 keyframe and close this portion. So this field for each frame set a elevation value, the translations. So set of elevation value. Then view, then close, then go to animation control and play mode load loop forward, then so there are water, so this raster image are 3D plot simulation. So play mode, there are available lot of options. So play once forward, so change 10 seconds, So there are play in all viewers, play once reverse and loop forward and reverse and loop forward, then export of this animation and export, then okay, export this 3D plot simulation. So complete the export 3D animation. So open the plot simulation AVI file. So this work already complete 3D plot simulation. If my videos is helpful to you, please like this video. It will be very helpful for every ArcGIS learner. So share this video among your friends to get every notification from my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.